Hi there, I'm Katie Bavoso from Channel Insider here at Pax8 Beyond 2024, and I'm now joined by Natalia Scheidegger from 3rd mill. She is the CEO, and we are so happy to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Tell me about your relationship, your partnership with Pax8. How have you been able to grow over the years with them, and how long have you been partnered together?
We've only been a partner of Pax8 for about a year, and in that small amount of time, it has transformed my business. I actually inherited my old distributor relationship when I took on the business about 10 years ago, and I didn't know that you could have a relationship with your distributor. I just thought they were a supplier, someone that you transacted with, and then I engaged with Pax8, and it was like they set my business on fire. They reached out in every way in terms of how they could help us. We've been using their training services to upskill our staff. They've helped us run events in the Microsoft offices with incredible Microsoft speakers. They've just enabled us in every way.
You came all the way from Australia to this event. Why is Pax8 Beyond worth making that trip?
The channel and the network and my peers all said, you've got to go. And now look, a day and a half in, I cannot emphasize enough what a game-changing experience this is. The content and the incredible information and wealth of knowledge from all the sessions, the community and the network that I've just been able to engage with, particularly with US peers, which we don't get access to a lot in APAC, and then just the innovation and just being at the cutting edge and the fantastic conversation around AI has just been brilliant. I could not recommend it more, and I'm so thrilled I made the choice to come here, even though it was a long way.
I'm so glad it was worth it. You mentioned AI, so let's dig into that a little bit more. Can you talk to me a little bit about what your business specializes in and how you're implementing AI? And then after all that, could you tell me about how Pax8 is helping you be able to initiate that process?
Absolutely. We're a traditional managed services provider, and I say traditional, but really we're becoming technology service providers. We're the phone call for our customers for the end-to-end technology solutions, the outsourced IT department, but also the outsourced CTO and advice piece. And really, AI has started at that advice piece for us around engaging with customers on educating them on AI and where it's going and building out use cases with them. But in terms of our own AI journey, we were one of the first people to transact on Copilot with Pax8. As soon as the announcement came out, I ordered a couple of licenses for us internally, and we've been using Copilot extensively throughout the business. In terms of how Pax8 has helped us, we actually were able to work with Pax8 to run an incredible AI event that I mentioned earlier in the Microsoft offices, in the head offices in Sydney. We got an incredible speaker from Microsoft, a real AI guru, come talk to our clients, talk to them about how you can use Copilot, what the use cases in the industry looked like. And the feedback I got after that session was unbelievable. The way that session lifted our brand and positioned us to be kind of the AI partner for our customers was unbelievable. And Pax8 actually initiated setting up that event for us.
Speaking of use cases, do you see any new opportunities with all of that in mind in the AI space for your customers and maybe new markets that you'd like to emerge into?
One of our key verticals is also financial services, and specifically insurance brokers. And we actually have a SaaS product, a CRM, that we work with our customers and deploy for our customers. And one of the exciting use cases I'm looking at is deploying AI within that environment to help insurance brokers be able to mine information about their customers really quickly, connect to the broking systems, connect to SharePoint and their data. So I'm really excited to bolt on AI to our SaaS product.
Let's talk about the big announcement that came out of today's Pax8 keynote this morning here on the second day. Pax8 announced some changes to their marketplace in which they're allowing for customized self-service portals that still go through either their IT partners to be able to transact with Pax8. Talk to me about what your reaction was and how this will help drive your business success.
I could not agree more with the vision that they're seeing around customers and self-service. And I'm so excited to be able to take that to market because I think it's just another way in which our choice in working with Pax8 is going to put us ahead of our competition, because that's something that we can offer our customers, right, that other MSPs out there can't.